Hello viewers, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will explain how you can get Picsart Pro for free in 2025. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to help me make more of these videos. First, go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Picsart app. Then go to Settings and go to General. Then go to Background Refresh and turn this off. Once you have done all this, open the Picsart app and feel free to look around here at your leisure. Once you have done that, check if all your details are correct. And if this is all correct, we can start right. Click on Try Pro at the top right, and then you will see that you can now get Picsart with a 50% discount for only €57 per year. Good luck using it, and thanks for watching this video.